World Heritage Day is celebrated every year on April 18 to raise awareness about protecting and preserving our cultural and natural heritage. This day was established by international councils on monuments and sites from 1982 to approved by UNESCO.
Heritage include monuments, historical buildings, natural landscapes and traditions that have great value of humanity. These places reflect the history, culture and achievements of different civilizations.
The main aim of World Heritage Day is to encourage people to appreciate cultural diversity and to protect heritage from threats such as pollution, natural disasters and human activities. Schools, organizations and communities celebrate this day by organizing exhibitions, heritage walks and awareness programs.
What is heritage? Heritage is what we inherit from the past and pass on the future generation. It includes cultures, traditions, languages, monuments, arts and natural landscapes.
Cultural heritage, monuments, buildings, art, festivals and traditions made by the humans. Example, Taj Mahal.
Natural heritage, forests, mountains, rivers, wildlife and natural beauty. Example, Kaziranga National Park. Heritage tells us about our history, identity and the people lived in the past. It helps us understand different cultures and respect diversity.
Why do we celebrate World Heritage Day? To create awareness, protect sites from pollution, urbanizations and neglect.
Preserve history. Heritage sites act like a historical records. Respect cultural diversity. Encourage appreciation of different culture.
Promote tourism, attract visitors and support economic growth. Protect for future generations. Ensures heritage is preserved for the future.
Heritage is a valuable treasure that connects us to our roots.
Celebrating World Heritage Day reminds us our duty to protect and preserve both cultural and natural heritage.
By doing so, we ensure that the beauty, history and knowledge of the past continue to inspire people in the future.